ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदिया काण्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 199। भाष्य फर्स्ट लाइन। न दृष्टेर द्रष्टारं पश्येहे विज्ञातारमरे केन विजानीयात् अविज्ञातं विज्ञातृ। थ्री डिफरेंट कोटेशंस आर गिवन। इत्यादि श्रुतिभ्यो न आत्म विषयं विज्ञानम। The quotations are given to show that pratyakshadi vishaya atma is ahankara. Agama vishaya atma is shuddha chaitanya, Brahma. They both are different. Who is sansari? Pratyakshadi vishaya atma is samsari. Agama vishaya atma is asamsari. And therefore there is no virodha. This is the prakranam. In the uddharanam, quotations that are given, na drishter drashtaram pashyehe. Drishtehe drashtaram. Drishtehe drashtaram. So in Anubhuti Prakash we saw, nahi drashtur drishter viparilopo vidyate. Here what is given? Drishter drashtaram. Drishti ka drashta. Drashti means this vritti. Two drashtas I had explained. Now also those who have not listened to that, just pay attention here. There is one pramata and there is one sakshi. Pramata Chaitanya, Shuddha Chaitanya. The jnanam that takes place through pramata is called drashti. Of that drashti, there is another drashta. Drashti ka drashta. Drishtehe drashtaram. Na pashyehe. Means you cannot know this drashta who is the knower of this drashti. Is it clear? आप थोड़ा यहां से बैठो. दृष्टेः drashtaram na pashye. This is separate quotation. They have given all three together, but you can demark them in the footnote. I mean in the tippani it is given. This is 342. Next quotation is 4515. Vijñātāram are kena vijaniya. Vijñāta means which one? Pramata or Shuddha Chaitanya?
Pramata.
Vijñāta here means kena vijaniya. How can you know Vijñāta? So first quotation already said pramata is known through this drashta. Second quotation says, how can you know Vijñāta? Which quotation, which Vijñāta will be this? Pramata or Shuddha Chaitanya? Not pramata. This is Vijñāta. In the second quotation, Vijñātāram, drashtaram. What was said in the previous quotation is drashtaram. In the second quotation it is Vijñātāram. Drashtaram, Vijñātāram, are kena vijaniya. Kena karanena. So there is no karana upalabdha. This is second quotation. Third is avijñātam vijñātri. Avijñātam Vijñātru. This number is given 3, 8, 11. Akshara Brahmana. Atma Tattva. See here. Atma Tattva is Avijñātam. It is a Vijñāta which is not otherwise known. So it is Avijñāta Vijñāta. It is knower of this, but it itself is not known. Vijñātru Shabda Napunsakalinga. Avijñātam Vijñātru. If in Pullinga, if you have to give Avijñāta Vijñāta. Why Avijñāta? Because it does not become Vishaya. It does not become Drishya. But it is a knower. It is a knower of what? Pramata. So it has Vijñātritvam. So in this third Uddharana, Avijñātam Vijñātru, who is the Vijñātru? Shuddha Chaitanya, which was said earlier as Vijñāta, which was said earlier as Drashta. Huh? Swayam Prakasha? Huh. Yes. That way. Avedyatve sati aparoksha vyavahara yogyatvam swayam prakasha. So it is not known, but it is swayam prakasha in this way. So by itself, it does not become vishaya, but you have to know it by removing the avarana. Avidya avarana nivritti is done through shastra pramana. Avidya avarana nivritti is done through shastra pramana. इत्यादि श्रुतिभ्यो न आत्म विषयम विज्ञानम. विज्ञानम न आत्म विषयम. 4 number tippani you see, they have given 2 more quotations. इत्यादि इत्यादिना परांचिखानि अन्यदेव तद विदितात् इति ग्रहणम. So Kathopanishad and Kenopanishad. अन्यदेव तद विदितात् अथो अविदितात् अधि. This is Kena. न आत्म विषयम विज्ञानम किम. 5 number टिप्पणी. सुखी अहम इत्यादि विज्ञान. I am sukhi, I am dukhi. This jnanam is not about Atma. This is about Ahankara or Pramata. Tika. Sukhi aham ityadi pratibhasasya tarhi ka gati rityashankya. Somebody says, when I say Sukhi aham, if I am not referring to Atma, Chaitanya, then what am I referring to by the word Sukhi aham? What is that aham? Sukhi aham ityadi pratibhasasya tarhi ka gatihi means how will you explain that? Iti ashankya purvoktam eva smarayati. We have already said something earlier. What? See in the bhashya. Kin tarhi buddhyadi upadhi atma pratichhaya vishayam eva sukhitoham dukhitoham iti evam adi pratyaksha vijnanam. Buddhyadi upadhi atma pratichhaya vishayameva. Buddhi etc. are what? Upadhi. Sharira is also. So if Sharira has anything, it is in the upadhi. It is not in me. Buddhi etc. will have sukha dukkham. They are not in me. Buddhyadi upadhi atma pratichhaya vishayameva sukhitoham dukhitoham iti evam adi pratyaksha vijnanam. This pratyaksha vijnanam is because of that. In other words, pratyakshadi pramana, they are of Atma, giving knowledge of Atma. So that Virodha is explained. Last time I understand that Gangaji is coming from Himalayas and today is Sunday or whatever. So there is no Virodha. So when we show Drishtanta, we have to show Drishtanta where there is stark opposition. Means so that the point is very clear. Then, like how do they say, Jagat is Mithya? How? Rajju Sarpavat. If somebody says, Rajju Sarpa, I have already understood is Mithya. How long does it take to know Rajju Sarpa is Mithya? 5 seconds. And this Brahmanda is Mithya, my Sharira is Mithya, my possessions are Mithya. Aneka Janma Samsiddha. So Drishtanta is always going to be like this. So that the main point I understand that there is similarity or difference like this, in this way. Then they say, like Purvapaksha will ask such questions that Sarpa Jnanam I get so quickly. Jagat Mithyatva Jnanam doesn't happen that quickly. So then Acharya will explain that like that. But this point we should note that when they give Drishtanta, they want to give something so that you don't miss it. Why I am explaining this? Because you may have this question that here Atma is also referred by the Shabda Aham. Ahankara is also referred by, or Pramata is also referred by the Shabda Aham. And they have some similarity like Pratyakva, Godritva, Sukshmatva. So there are similarities. But first you should understand that we are talking about two different things. See in Tika. बुद्ध्यादि रूपाधिस तत्र आत्म प्रतिच्छाया तत्प्रतिबिंबस तद विषयमेव सुखी अहम इत्यादि विज्ञानम इति योजना. बुद्ध्यादि उपाधि तत्र आत्म प्रतिच्छाया. बुद्ध्यादि उपाधि, they are reflection of Atma. Pratichaya means reflection, pratibimba. Tad pratibimba tad vishayameva sukhi aham ityadi vijnanam. So that pratibimba jnanam is where sukhi aham, dukhi aham, these notions come. So that aham is referring to pratibimba. Just like in pratibimba you can have vikshepa, surya pratibimba in jala, jala vikshepat, pratibimba vikshepa, jala malinyat, pratibimba malinyam. That all, everything is possible in pratibimba, not in bimba. Atmano dukhitva abhave hetvantaram. So this is Shruti Pramana is explained. Now other hetu is given. अयम अहम इति विषयेण विषयिणः सामानाधिकरण्य उपचारात् नान्यदतो अस्ति द्रष्टृ इति अन्य आत्म प्रतिषेधाच्च. अयम अहम इति विषयेण, by this अयम अहम इति विषयेण विषयिणः सामानाधिकरण्य उपचारात्. विषय and विषयी. If I say ayam aham, ayam means vishaya, aham is vishayi, the knower. Ayam aham, if you say vishayena vishayinaha samanadikaranya upacharaat nanyadato asti drashtru iti anya atma pratishedhachya. So two hetus are given here. When I say ayam aham, which means what? See in Tika, he explains. Ayam means ayam deha. See in Tika, second line. Ayam dehoham. इति दृश्येन द्रष्टुस्तादात्म्य अध्यास दर्शनात् दृश्य विशिष्टस्यैव प्रत्यक्ष विषयत्वात् न केवलस्य आत्मनो दुःखादि संसारो अस्ति इत्यर्थः। अयम देहो अहम. It is like saying this thing is me. This and me are opposite. This means something external, different from me. This is me. Like in Adhyasa Bhashya, Bhagavan Bhashyakar has given. That is what is referred here by Anand Giriji. Ayam deho aham iti drishyena drashtus tadatmya adhyasa darshanat. Drishyena dehena drashtuhu atmanah tadatmya adhyasa darshanat. Drishya and drashta, their tadatmya adhyasa is there. Anyonya adhyasa is there. Where drashta forgets, I am not drishya. He forgets this. Actually, he is not drishya, but he forgets this. He thinks I am drishya. Correct? So there in Adhyas Bhashya, how the Adhyasa Bhashya begins? Yushmat Asmat Pratyaya Gocharayoho. So there Yushmat and Asmat, two words are there. Yushmat Shabda is for you. Asmat is for Aham, I. So Purvapaksha says, why you have used Yushmat? You should use Idam. Because my Abhimana is never going to be I am you. It is going to be I am this. Correct? We say I am this. We don't say I am that person, which is very clearly known as Viruddha. Is it to show that Virodha only? Bhashyakar has used Yushmat Asmat. Idam Asmat he doesn't use. Drishyena Drashtu Stadatmya, even though both belong to Drishya category only. Yushmat Pratyaya, you, and Idam, both are Drishya only. Tadatmya Adhyasa Darshanat. Drishya Vishishtasya eva Pratyaksha Vishayatvat. Drishya Vishishta. Drishya is Deha. Deha Vishishta Chaitanya is what I think as I know, as Sukhi, Dukhi, Ityadi. Na Kevalasya Atmanaha. So Drishya Vishishta Atma or Drishya Vishishta Chaitanya is Pratyaksha Vishaya. Kevala Atma is not Pratyaksha Vishaya. Therefore, Kevalasya Atmano Dukkhadi Samsaro na asti ityarthaha. Everybody is understanding what I am talking?
Yes, Swamiji. Yes.
Yes, Swamiji.
So we have to use this wisdom. See, we are not only studying for the sake of studying. We have to use this wisdom to face life also. So when something happens, then you don't say, but this was studied in class. No. Whatever problems are there in Drishya, I should be able to separate myself from this Drishya Prapancha and say, this is not me. That is the whole purpose of this study and all this Uddharana, etc., etc. See, there are stages in sadhana. For somebody, their attention will be, I know there is an Upanishad called Brahadaranyaka Upanishad. There is some Bhashyakara, there is some Tikakara, there is some Tippanikara. And I know how to put this Bhashya and then this Pratika is there, it goes up from Tika to Bhashya and this Tippani. This is first level. So, you understand that this is how you read the Grantha. Second is, we do some Vyakarana analysis that, okay, I have understood this pada is, this is the Pratipadika, this is the Pratyaya, Kridanta, or Subanta, Tinganta, whatever that pada is, I have understood. Which sutra is applied here, etc. Then I should try to understand the meaning of this. And then I should understand how I will face my life situations with all this. That I am not Drishya. The whole purpose is you get out of all these problems, because all problems are in Upadhi. Every Upadhi will have something or the other, Anitya. I am not that. That is the whole objective of this study. So don't stop in between somewhere thinking that I have fulfilled the purpose of study. Fulfilling the purpose of study is to claim I am this Atma who does not have dukkhadi samsara. Na dukkhadi samsaro atmano asti. Kincha. Asthuladi visheshanam aksharam prakramya tasyaiva pratyagatmatvam darshayanti shrutihi atmanah samsaritvam varayati ityaha. And also asthuladi visheshanam aksharam prakramya. Prakramya means upakramya. That is the upakrama. Asthulam, ananu, ahrasvam, adirgam ityadi. These are the visheshanas for akshara. 388. Tasyaiva pratyagatmatvam darshayanti shrutihi. Darshayanti shrutihi. Darshayanti is the visheshana for shruti. Kasya pratyagatmatvam. Anybody else? Kasya pratyagatmatvam. See the line. Online, anybody? Aksharasya. See, aksharam prakramya tasyaiva. So, aksharam prakramya means upakramya. Tasyaiva, aksharasyaiva pratyagatma. So, what is said here in this line? Pay attention here also. Upanishad says akshara is asthula, ananu, ahrasva, adirgha, etc. Then they say that akshara is pratyagatma. Means that is who I am really. Asthudadi visheshana are given for akshara. Then that aksharasya pratyagatmatvam means akshara is what?
Pratyagatma.
Pratyagatma. Akshara is pratyagatma. This is what Shruti shows. And therefore, now you see, akshara is asamsari. Akshara is pratyagatma. And Shruti will leave it up to that. Akshara is asansari. Akshara is pratyagatma. Over. Now, if I say I have understood, Akshara is asansari, Akshara is pratyagatma, I am sansari. So this is what we have to understand. Akshara is asansari, Akshara is pratyagatma, therefore pratyagatma is asansari. Samsaritvam varayati ityaha. Nanyat ato asti drashtri. So Vishaya Vishainaha Samanadikaranya is only Upachara. In the previous sentence in the Bhashya, Ayam Aham Iti. In this Vishayana Vishainaha Samanadikaranya. What is that? I am this. I am this. This means this body, this mind, this buddhi, whatever. Like, see, if somebody shows a phone with a picture, old picture, who is this? So what this person say? I am this. This is me. This is That looks so different. Now you are so old, that is so young, but that is who I am. So that is me, that is Drishya. How can you be that? That is Adhyasa. Whenever anybody shows anything nice in photo and says, who is this? And you say, this is me, understand that is Adhyasa. Adhyasa could be of different types. Adhyasas are of different types. So here it is, Samanadhikaranya is Upachara Matra. Adhyasa different type means sometimes deliberately you have to do Adhyasa. Like in Upasana, Shivalinga is there and you say this is Paramatma, like that. Knowingly you superimpose. Nanyad ato asti drishtru iti anya atma pratishedacha. Now what is this hetu? It is not explained there. Maybe in Tippani it is given. See, how many Atmas are there according to Vedanti? One, right? If Atma becomes Drishya, then who will be the Drashta Atma? Because na anyat ataha asti drashtri. Ataha anyat drashtri na asti. Other than this, there is no other drashta. So if you say this Atma is drashta, now we want to make this Atma as drishya, then you will have to look for another drashta, but another drashta is not there. Iti anya Atma pratisheda. Anya Atma pratisheda is done. One sentence of Bhashyakara, so much is given. And that's why we have to study this slowly. We should never think that I will quickly finish Braharanyaka Upanishad. You will not understand it. So this point is also clear. This is another hetu. Now in Tika, Kincha Padayor Dukkham Shirasi Dukkham iti Deha Avayava Avachinnattvena Tat Pratitehe Tad Dharmatva Nischayat Na Atmani Samsaritvam Pramanikam Ityaha. Kincha Padayor Dukkham Shirasi Dukkham. Somebody says there is Dukkham in the feet, and somebody says there is Dukkham in the head. Deha Avayava Avachinnattvena, so the Dukkham is experienced in different parts of the body. Deha Avayava Avachinnattvena Tat Pratitehe Tad Dharmatva Nischayat Na Atmani Samsaritvam Pramanikam. In Atma, there is no Dukkham. How do you explain? In this way. When somebody says, where is the pain? In my feet. Means, it is very clear, pain is there, not aham. Similarly, later let us say, Shirasi Dukkham, na Atmani. Padayoho Dukkham, Padayoho is Saptami Dvivachana. Padayor Dukkham, Shirasi Dukkham. In this way, Atmani Dukkham is not there. So Atmani Sansaritvam is Apramanikam. Because Dukkham is now dharma of what? That Deha Avayava. In Bhashya. Deha Avayava Visheshyatvacha Sukha Dukkhayor Vishaya Dharmatvam. Deha Avayava Visheshyatvat. Sukha and Dukkha, their experience. Deha Avayava Visheshyatvat. Sukha Dukkhayor. And therefore they are dharma of Vishaya. They are not dharma of Vishayi. How do you explain Deha Avayava Visheshyatvat सुख दुःखयोः देहवयव विशेषत्वात् means sukham is or dukkham is visheshya and deha avayava will become its visheshana. So deha avayava visheshya sukha. Sukha is deha avayava vishishta. Correct? Like how he gave padayor dukkham, shirasi dukkham, etc. Understood or just understand sukha dukkha has deha avayava as their visheshana. Therefore sukha dukkham will belong to deha avayava. Like for example, let us say my feet are on the ground, which is very hot. Barefoot I am trying to walk in summer. Where will the heat be experienced? In the foot, in the sole, correct? And at that time, on my head, somebody puts Ganga Jal. So Dukkham is in feet. So Visheshana for the Dukkham is Padayoho Dukkham. Shirasi Sukham. So Sukha has Visheshana called Shiraha. Right? Shirasi Sukham means Kim Vishishtam Sukham? Shira Vishishtam Sukham. Shira is the Visheshana in this way. Huh? Why not? The question is, can Adhikarana be Visheshana? Yes. If I say, Hastastha Pustakam and Lekhika Stha Pustakam, so they are different. So which Pustaka you are talking about? Some Sambandha you will give. That Sambandha is Adhikarana. Shruti Vashat Atmanaha Samsaritvam Shankate. Atmanastu Kamaya iti Atmarthatva Shruter Ayuktam iti Chet. What is the question?
Harim Swamiji, Deha Avayavas Supi Dravya and Sukha Dukha Supi Dharma, and why here Sukha Dukha become the Visheshya and the Deha Avayava become the Visheshana.
So when I use the Prayoga, based on the Prayoga, how we use that is given. It is like if somebody says golden bangle, right? What is the Visheshana here?
Gold.
Now you tell me, golden bangle, golden necklace, golden ring. We think Visheshana is gold. But you can say, actually it is bangle which is appearing in gold, necklace which is appearing in gold, ring which is appearing in gold. Correct? So gold is the main thing. That gold is appearing as ring, necklace, bangle. So bangle is actually Visheshana for gold. There is actually no such thing called bangle existing first and then gold. Gold is existing, bangle is only Namarupa created in gold. Right? It's not that first bangle was there and on top you put gold. Then it will be something else only. It is really not golden bangle. Gold itself is now appearing as bangle. So Visheshana Visheshya, how you are using or how you are thinking, accordingly you have freedom. So in this case, Kasya Dukham, main question is this. If somebody will ask, whose sorrow? Sorrow is of Atma or sorrow is of Anatma? So how will you answer?
Anatma.
Anatma. In Anatma, you will give Visheshana of Pada, of Shiraha. Where is pain? In hand. So, Kasya Dukham Hastasya. Na Atmana. That is all he wants to show. So, Sansaritvam Kasya Avayavasya. Koshasya. आत्मनस्तु कामाय इति आत्मार्थत्व श्रुतेः अयुक्तम इति चेत् आत्मनस्तु कामाय सर्वं प्रियं भवति. दिस कोटेशन सेज सर्वं प्रियम is for atma, sukham is for atma. So here there is sukhatvam in atma. So therefore atma is samsari. This is the purvapaksha. Sukham tavad atmashrayam आत्मनस्तु कामाय इति सुख साधनस्य आत्मार्थत्व श्रुतेः अतः तद अविनाभूतं दुःखमपि तत्र इति आत्मनि असंसारित्वम् अयुक्तम् इत्यर्थः. सुखम तावत् आत्माश्रयम्. सुखम इज आत्मा आश्रयम्. Why आत्मनस्तु कामाय इति सुख साधनस्य आत्मार्थत्व श्रुतेः. आत्मा is sukha sadhanam. No, sukha sadhanasya atmarthatvam means all sukha sadhanas are for the sake of atma. Atma is for its own sake, right? Sukha sadhanam means anything, all the bhogya padartha, they are for the sake of atma. Atma is for its own sake. Ataha tad avinabhutam dukkham api. Tatra avinabhutam dukkham. Avinabhutam, Tippani says, sukha avyabhicharitam. If sukham is there, dukkham also will be there. So there is no vyabhichara. Yatra sukham, tatraiva dukkham. Purvapara bhavena sukha samanadhikaranam. Sukha dukha both are in the same adhikarana. So dukkham api. Therefore, Atma is not only sukha swarupa, Atma is also dukha swarupa. Therefore, Atma will have samsaritvam. So their asamsaritvam is ayuktam. It is not appropriate. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarajanam Sutra Bhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vivagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.